Did you know that Denver Airport is hiding something massive underground? This airport sits on 53 square miles of land. That's twice the size of Manhattan, way bigger than any airport needs to be. But here's where it gets weird. Construction workers built multiple underground levels. Then those levels were sealed and marked classified. The airport has creepy murals showing war and death. Strange symbols are carved into the walls everywhere. Workers say there are huge tunnel systems beneath the ground. These tunnels connect to secret bunker complexes. The dedication stone mentions something called the New World Airport Commission, but this organization doesn't actually exist. Construction teams were kept separate, so nobody knew what they were really building. Recent radar scans found massive empty spaces underground that don't match any public blueprints. Something is definitely hidden beneath Denver Airport. What do you think they're hiding down there? Share this with someone who loves mysteries and follow for more shocking secrets.